Howdy everyone, this is Graham Fine. I'm with Uptown 101 and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, I'm still at the Coop Heights and I just wanted to show this to you. This is the hallways, are really pretty. Very nice hallways. It feels great in here, by the way. Air conditioning and all that stuff. It's new, it's recently built. I did just talk to one of the residents too and just asked her about it, just about the co-op and stuff, and she kind of verified it. So the co-op, it's a pretty apartment, but it's just gonna be basically the apartment. You've got a building with an apartment and a garage. You're not going to have a pool. You're not going to have a gym, those kind of things. Those are all not present. It's just going to be the apartment. And then they do have the dog park, which we captured a little bit earlier. So just wanted to make you aware of that. This is, and the reason people love it is because it's a lower price. It's a great value. It's in the Heights, and you're paying sometimes 10% less than a place that has the other stuff. So people want to take the savings and just have a good apartment. This is a perfect place to be. Hey, if you have any questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below and we can set up the tour of the Co-op Heights or set up a complete Heights tour anytime. We can do that even today, and it's always free to you. Send me that text below.